Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What I'd like to do is show you how to, given 2 points, write an equation in slope-intercept form. So I have two equations up here. I have slope-intercept form, which is right over here, y equals mx plus b, as well as point-slope form, y2 minus y1 equals m times x2 minus x1. And we like point-slope form, especially when we're given 2 points, because it can help us, one, find the slope, as well as write the equation in slope-intercept form. So the first thing that I'm going to do, even though this equation might be easier just to plug it in as we know, but I can find the slope. Actually, we'll do that. We'll do a cut some legs here. So first of all, what I have is 5 comma negative, or 5 comma 2, and 0 comma negative 2. So I need to determine slope. Well, what I can do is I can use my point slope form. So what I need to first do is rewrite my coordinate points. Okay? So I'm going to write out my coordinate points here and determine them as which ones are x1, y1, x2, and y2. Now what I'm simply going to do is to plug them back into my equation. So I have y2, which is negative 2. And when I'm plugging in points, I like to make sure that I put them in parentheses, so therefore I don't get confused with the signs of each one. So I have negative 2 minus y1, which would be a positive 2, equals m, which we do not know, which we're trying to solve, times x2, which is 0, minus 5. OK, so again, the parentheses is very important for me to make sure I'm not making mistakes. But now I can apply some operations and see here. Well, the reason why I wrote these parentheses is because really this is negative 2 minus 2 equals m times just 0 minus 5. OK, well, negative 2 minus 2 is a negative 4 equals m times negative 5, which we can rewrite. Actually, let's solve for m. So let's just divide by negative 5 on both sides. So m equals negative divided by negative is a positive 4/5. So now that we have a positive 4/5, the next thing we need to do is determine our y-intercept. And what I like to do is, when I'm using point-slope form, is I could easily plug in one of these points again into that equation. However, I noticed that point-slope form, or the intercept of an equation in slope-intercept form, is always 0 comma b. So I noticed that this coordinate point is 0 comma negative 2. So therefore, b is just equal to negative 2. So now that I've solved for m, I can just use my value of b to write my equation in slope-intercept form. So I have y equals b, which is a 4/5, x minus 2. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you write 2 points in slope-intercept form. Thanks.